The Lion, the Mouse, and the Snoring Bear. In a lush forest, a little mouse was troubled by the loud snoring of a bear who refused to wake up from hibernation. Desperate for sleep, the mouse tried everything to wake the bear, shouting, blowing a bugle, and even shaking him, but nothing worked. Frustrated, he sought help from the mighty lion, known for his powerful roar. However, the lion arrogantly refused, dismissing the mouse as too small and unimportant. Disheartened, the mouse wandered through the forest until he stumbled upon the lion scratching himself uncontrollably. The proud king of the jungle was suffering from a terrible flea infestation but was too embarrassed to ask for help. Seeing his chance to repay the lion's rudeness with kindness, the mouse bravely climbed onto the lion and carefully removed the fleas one by one. Though the lion was skeptical at first, he soon felt relief and was amazed at the little mouse's ability. Realizing his mistake, the lion thanked the mouse sincerely. In return for the mouse's kindness, the lion agreed to help wake the bear. With a deep breath, he let out a thunderous roar that shook the entire forest. The bear jolted awake in panic, stumbling out of his cave in confusion. "What happened? Is it summer already?" the bear asked, looking around in surprise. The other animals burst into laughter, and the little mouse sighed in relief. Finally, the snoring was over, and he could get a good night's sleep. Moral of the story: never underestimate the power of kindness, and remember that even the smallest friend can help in big ways.